2 years ago, I was sitting where you are sitting right now. The University Innovation Fellows inspired me to find purpose. And that was to return to my college and help students find volunteering opportunities in the community. So when I got back to college, I recruited a team of people who saw the same need. And we created Volunteers Together. And within 1 year, we had assisted TEDx, art fairs, galas, and had volunteers all over organizations in the community. We had over 300 members. We had made a difference. And then I graduated last year, and I wanted to bring the same purpose, the same passion, the same drive to the workforce. I had my dream job lined up at Ernst Young, and I was ready to go. But then, on my first day at work, things took a turn. The motivation I had in college was gone. I no longer felt I had what it took to make a difference. And why is that? Well, I was at the bottom of the totem pole. No one was as inexperienced as I was. Back at college, I had made all kinds of great relationships, so change happened fast and easy. And I was expecting change to happen fast and easy in the workplace as well. But that's not how it works. And I realized I had to go back to the basics. And I want to share some insights that I learned on this journey. 3 principles that if you start thinking about them now, is going to help you transition into the workforce better and help you become a change maker at work. Now, we all want to make this, right? That's why we're going into work. Something's got to pay the student loans. But don't make money your only purpose. The reason we're change makers in school is not because of this, it's because we want to benefit other people. So my first tip is to find purpose. Something that benefits others. And for me, I wanted to change the culture of innovation on my team. I believe that finding a purpose that benefits others opens up our mind to new ideas. And when you find your purpose, and these ideas start coming to you, I recommend that you don't start with the biggest idea. Not yet. Remember, you're starting from scratch. So instead, start small and get early wins. For me, I decided to host a small design thinking workshop for my team. It was scary at first. I sent out a couple of emails just assessing what the interest was, and no one knew what design thinking even was. But just sending that email got the ball rolling. And I didn't do it alone. Katie, Andrew, Olivia, Josie, and Gotham helped me out. I told them, I think this is really going to encourage innovation on our team. And making a difference for others is something we all want to do. So they said yes, and we did it. And that brings me to my third and final principle, which is to find allies. Through your proactive nature, you're showing responsibility instead of waiting for permission. People are going to start notice that, even with the small wins. Find those people who believe in what you do. Allow them to amplify it and go on to bigger and bigger projects. Finally, I just want to say that I don't yet consider myself a change maker at work, but I can clearly see the path ahead of me. And I believe that if you follow these 3 principles, find purpose, get early wins, and find allies, I think you have a great chance of making a difference in the organization that you work for. So, hold it. Thank you, though. How might we prepare students to become change makers at work? Thank you.